What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and welcome to the freaking danger zone. I'm just kidding. Welcome to another Broke Misfits episode. Heading to the shop right now. Hope you guys enjoy today's video. Stopped at the old gas station, grabbed a couple brewskis. A little bit of, what do you call them things? Seeds? Some ranch seeds. What do they call it? Sunflower seeds. But right down the street from the old shop. So, woo. Be there in just a minute. We got no agenda this time. So we're just gonna hang out. I don't know who's even coming, but we're gonna have a good time. And we'll, you know, we get into something crazy every once in a while. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, just got to the shop. Here's Garrett's motor, still not in the Jeep, waiting for a couple things because, you know, probably know what that means. And then, I'm sure you guys, if you have watched our older videos, we put a sweet new exhaust on this rig. And now Jensen's got to do a couple little things on the other side. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So he's gonna fix that and then possibly do all this stuff to the Jeep, like wheel bearings and whatnot. So we're just here for the ride, record it all, and yeah. Oh yeah. She's gonna be set up nice. We forgot to disconnect the ground.
I guess this side has a wall. This one's solid.
Yeah, the welding didn't work out, so that one's nice.
Yeah, it is.
Well, now I feel bad for breaking this one.
I do too. I feel like
Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad.
all the metal's rusted right out.
Oh, I see what you did.
Okay, do you hear that? That's the body. The body? She's proper.
There's not much you can do.
She's properly hoop-a-jooped.
Besides, you know. Yeah, well, you're bending your welds. So they're
Possible. That's pretty secure. It ain't going
well,
nowhere.
yeah, your mom will be fine tomorrow. I don't know why your dad's all worried. Okay. She's almost out. Should I kick it again? Oh, don't scratch the pin. Oh, you're right. Oops. That wasn't us.
I know that.
Should pop. Wait. Oh. Maybe, I'm serious. We just drive it like this, so come on.
You're right.
What's it hanging out back?
Nothing. There's just one bolt there. I'll just re-weld that all up.
Yeah, she's off. Do you need to take that piece of metal off in there, or just leave it that you welded in there? How's the ground clearance on that thing?
It's good. Someone will say something.
Sick. All right, Jenny, what's the plan, Stan?
I don't know. We're gonna.
Here's a view. We're gonna do some what?
We're gonna break some stuff.
Brake? Oh no! You got it all wrong. Got this thingy. Which who doesn't know what that is? You know what I mean? This says NASCAR on it. Right there. Oh yeah. This thing's about to go fast. Supercharger in that box. NASCAR fast car. So I mean,
Used to it.
oh. It wouldn't start or the thing blew up?
Wouldn't start and direct.
Oh. All this stuff I already showed you.
They have a.
This. Oh no. So, can we talk about something serious for a second?
Huh?
Like work?
Jeep.
Oh. Got this thing. This is a turbocharger that we're putting on today.
These tires are actually really good in winter. I was really happy with them.
All-terrain boys.
Yeah, they look nice.
And
You
now
need
I
new
actually have
tires,
four-wheel
though.
drive. I didn't have four-wheel drive last year.
Would you believe this, Garrett, that this tread's a little low?
It's not low.
The tread is low. You're
It's
gonna.
not bad. You could make it through winter on these.
You can try.
I'll
The
get
fact
you
that
one
he
before
also
winter.
only lives.
Guess
2
what,
minutes
bud? It is winter.
Well,
Not really.
I can sell them with tread still on them, is the point.
No.
Which is why I was wondering if I should get wheels too, but I'm too cheap to get wheels. These ones are fine.
Right. Boom. And then Garrett showed up with some parts for his Jeep. That motor right there. Is one of these boxes open? Ah, and these are spark arresters. No, these are the lifters, and they're from HHP Racing. So that's, you know, good. That's a good brand, you know, high end.
What does HHP stand for?
High horsepower performance.
Yeah.
I have no clue.
Ah. Jenny got that pulled out, the old wheel bearing. And he says that makes a noise. Bad noise. It looks like a rotary. No big deal, because it is one. The rotary Jeep, guys.
First one.
You getting that lubed up, huh?
Trying.
Looking good. Mmm. Hello?
What's up?
What's going on, brother? Coming to hang out?
Yeah.
I thought you weren't feeling good.
I got
Whoa, let's show everyone the new dash. Unlock it. Ooh. It's all yellow now.
yellow.
Not yellow. Heading inside. Wheel bearing's done.
I didn't think anyone was here.
Oh, everyone's here. The main group, main core that holds this group together.
Where's Josh? Like we said.
Alright guys, got the new shock in there, new wheel bearing on this side, and then coming to the rear here, we're gonna go get something to eat right now. Whoa, we're gonna go get something to eat, but we're gonna replace the rear shocks now. And what's that thing called again?
Sway bar?
The sway, yeah, I knew that. The sway bar, in-link shuffle kit, and then, ooh, there's a new one. Right there, old one. So we're gonna go get some food, and we'll be back while those soak in some lubricant. So, see you later. Okay, guys. Jensen got the rears done. Ooh, there we go. There's that. Got that all done. Now are we gonna go? We clean it up and then gonna go wash cars.
Yes, sir.
Get this all shined up. Go get mine shined up. Over there. There's Jensen over there filling up. Filling up, because now we're gonna go wash our cars, and we're just filling up before we go do that, and then we're all gonna head home. So that is about it, guys, for the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Short, sweet, but let me know if you guys like it short and sweet, or if you guys like it long and sweet, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me know down in the comments below, and make sure you follow our Instagram. And we'll see you next time. So peace out.